Residents and leaders in Muhanga Town Council are grappling with fear as scattered garbage disposal raises concerns over a potential outbreak of diseases. The town council faces challenges in securing suitable land for garbage disposal, resulting in improper waste management practices. In 2014, the Muhanga Town Council initially secured a piece of land for garbage disposal, which at the time was vacant. However, the council leadership faced an expected challenge when one of the residents, Mbabazi Bernard, contested their claim last year. Mbabazi Bernard asserted that the land belonged to his family, challenging the council's decision to clear and use it for garbage disposal. These disputes escalated to legal proceedings, with Mbabazi Bernard taking the matter to court. The outcome of the legal battle left the town council without a specific area secured for garbage disposal. Consequently, the town council currently lacks a designated space for proper waste management and is grappling with the consequences of scattered garbage disposal throughout the area. Obecheine, a concerned resident, voiced the community's apprehension, stating that they are in fear about the scattered disposing of garbage. He adds that poor garbage disposal might lead to disease outbreaks, emphasizing that the responsibility lies with the town council to secure suitable land or provide trucks for proper waste disposal.
Umwanya gwabo nubu konka bari kugukozesa kubi ikanso kinka cengaje yabe kine mwanya gwo kurima hekina cyo kutamukasasa konka kasasire turagera rikiriranijwe mukaberije kugwaza kubanyonda abantu ya burizoba.
Francis Bijabarema, another resident, attributed the improper garbage disposal to the town council's lack of a designated area. He warned that poor hygiene practices could lead to disease outbreaks in the area, underscoring the importance of organized waste management. Tumwebaze Elijah, local leader, acknowledged the challenge, revealing that the council had been using others' land for disposal, but due to increased complaints, they resorted to dumping garbage anywhere. He expressed fear of a potential disease outbreak due to the unsanitary conditions.
We had a certain area, that area, we were using it. But unfortunately, we find ourselves just using other people's land. Then it was taken off from us. Then after it was taken off from us, that's when we are trying to just to drop them in every area.
Twijuche James, the mayor of Muhanga Town Council, confirmed the garbage disposal challenge, citing a shortage of public land near the town. He refuted claims of garbage being scattered everywhere, asserting that the leadership is working diligently to maintain cleanliness. However, he acknowledged a setback in 2023 when a piece of secured land faced ownership disputes, leading to the cessation of garbage dumping.
We got a challenge in the year of 2023. We are having a piece of land located in the town center here in Muhanga, where we use it to dump garbage. The one we collect around town every day. Our holders will collect the garbage in the houses around town, then dump it, then we get trucks to fill it to the final garbage disposal. Around the month of September 2023, a certain person around here claimed that that land is their family land.
Treasury assured residents that the council is actively seeking solutions, hiring a truck every week for proper waste management. He further says that they are facing challenges but are committed to addressing them, prioritizing to keep Muhanga Town Council clean and healthy.
We are not seated about the matter of garbage. We are trying to collect garbage every week. We hire a truck, it takes away garbage to where we have been dumping it, the area called Kafuka. We are trying to do this to help our communities that they don't contract diseases that may come due to the scattering, the littering of garbage in the air. So as you mentioned earlier, it's not everywhere. We are trying as leaders to make sure the town remains clean.
Muhanga Town Council serves as the main town for Ruchiga district, amplifying the urgency for effective waste disposal strategies to prevent potential health hazards. A story by John Namara, Nobati Nyamachi for Kigezi TV.